As you can see in the background, I've got a step over fruit tree. It's a pear at the back, really nicely, filling that space there. And just on this side, I'm going to just firm in this bit of trellis to be another good climbing location for my sweet peas. So as you see, I've cut off a bit of the bottom there. I'm just firming in the base here, which is perfect for sweet peas. Now, I've got a little cheeky gap just about here for something a little tall. This happens to be my all-time favourite plant. And when I was at college, and not a million miles from here, just over towards Worcester, I went to Pershore College, or one of my colleges, was Aloysia citrodora, where the foliage, lemon-scented verbena is its other common name, the foliage smells of fizzy spangles. It's a lovely sweet smell. Now, again, this was in my last house, and I've managed to dig it up. And I think it needs a sheltered position, which by the shed will be ideal. Now, weight of this plant, cripe. Here we go. In about there will be, oh, you can smell it. It's a lovely leaf. Sweet and full of energy, zesty and lemony. It's lovely. You can make lemon verbena tea. You can put the leaves of it into a cheeky Pimm's, or even into a gin, a summer gin or something like that. I said gym there. I'm in the gym, the garden gym. We're working out, it's great. So I think this is going to grow perfectly nestled in between these two areas. It likes a more sheltered position, and I think the shed's going to give it that. And the sun rises over there, sets over there, so it's plenty bright enough. And this area is doing a lot for me, because at the front I've got my trimmed down step over pear. I've got beautiful sweet peas growing on here and on there, and my Aloysia citrodora. Oh, the fragrance is heavenly. Right in the middle. So it's all about best use of space.